Did you update your Windows 10? If not, then do it now, because Microsoft with the latest updates brought some cool features and things for you. Guys, welcome to Learning Bean again. Today I'm going to talk about a cool app. By using that app, you can read your text or messages from your phone directly by your PC, and you can text somebody directly from your PC. Not only this, you can see your mobile photos, you can download those photos, and you can send data from desktop to mobile. So guys, let's get started.
Young God when I ride up, not too many that can fuck with me.
So all you have to do is just go to your start menu and go to Microsoft Play Store, then search your phone, click this link, and then download this app. I have already downloaded, so I'm not gonna waste your time. I hope you know how to download an app. After installing this app, you have to register with your mobile phone. A text will be sent to your mobile phone with a link. By clicking that link, you have to install a app for your mobile phone. No matter whichever phone you are using, it may be Android or iPhone, you have to download an app for your iPhone or Android. You have to register with your mobile phone, then you will get a layout like this. So you can see guys, I can read my text right from here, and I can text somebody from my phone. So it's very handy and very speedy, and I can see my photos. But remember one thing, you will not be able to use this app until you are install the latest update. So at first you have to update your PC, you have to install their latest October update. I hope you will find it more useful. So thank you for watching. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update, and take care.